Hi guys, it's Chris. Just a very quick update. I've got the on-site guide and I've got the wiring regulations, and this weekend I'm going to be doing a draw to announce the winner of the competition that I arranged just before Christmas. I was going to try and get a friend of mine to do the draw with me, but given the latest government guidelines and the restrictions we have now at the moment with the level 4 COVID, that's unfortunately not going to be possible. So I'm going to collate everybody who's kindly left a message and commented in the previous video where I'm announcing that I'm giving these books away. So like I said guys, if you fancy a chance of winning this, please hit me up in the comments below. It's a £100 package. It's an on-site guide and a wiring regulations. And yeah, I'll get this thing posted out to you. So good luck, all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.